we're going on a train. The train already left, so like, yeah. Open the store. Means survival or something. Oh, new train arrived. Train departs in 44 seconds. Let's check out this new train. Oh, look, they actually. Okay, let's check around. Oh shit, I'm stuck on the train. Immune. I'm gonna choose the train parts in 80 seconds. I wish I had spectator on. Boom. Selected map apartment. Oh hell no. I'm gonna get crashed into apartment. We're just in the very back.
Least amount of damage. Perfect view. Bro, hope we survive. Okay, we're going into a tunnel that leads to the crash site. Oh, I see it. Massive tunnel. Not massive, that's just long. And we're here, yeah. And look, there's the apartment right there. The front's gonna get cooked up, absolutely. The back has the most survival. Ooh. Well, that was a definite. Oh, shoot. Yeah, we survived. Only the back car survived, actually. Touch to win. Okay. Boom. One survival. It'll be random. Okay. Fusion time. Push. Can push people and control. New train. Bam! A wood train. Oh wait! Custom parts? Whoa! See in the back. What's the best survival rate be like? Wonder what map we're gonna go. Bro, like if it's the train crash thing, we're absolutely gonna survive. But no doubt. Hey, is that Thomas? Oh my god, that's Thomas. Thomas is the train engine, bro. Couldn't get even more brain knotted. 10 seconds. Let's check if it's a mine. Let's see if it's new. Truck mayhem. Oh hell no. Do we have to go through a ton of trucks? Yeah, I think so. Damn it. No way, I'm stuck in the back. I can't go. Yeah, go out. Ah, shoot. Let's go. Collision's on right now. Oh yes, just like I guessed it. No for trucks. GG's, I hope I survive. Massive tunnel. How did I survive? Excuse me, question. How did I survive?
It literally missed me by an inch. How is that possible? Okay, well, that was a win, I guess. Got speed coil. I do not know why I need this for. Oh, never mind. Robux. New train. It's a box. It's a box train. What the hell?
What is this? This is not the Great Depression. This is not the Great Depression, I swear. This is not the Great Depression. Well, I guess we're not safe if it's like something raining from the sky. Yeah, we're covered if it's something raining from the sky. Let's just hope I survive in this goddamn box car. Not lasers. Looks like I die if I go too far. Oh wait, it's an instant kill. Wait a minute, can I like cheat the game? Can I cheat the game by going on the rails? Never mind.
And guess we're waiting. A quick montage. 180 later. Ah!
Okay, the train's back. Oh, the same train.
Okay, guys. We're back on the train. And yeah, wait like a long time. Okay, now it's avalanche.
Cooked.
Back. There's actually a back.
wonder how the avalanche is gonna look. The avalanche. What the hell? Looks like I'm surviving. Yay, won! Okay, one more train. Then I'll end the video. New train, finally. You can drive in the back. Oh, it's a front and back train. Minefield? Oh, hell nah. Very long train ride. Oh, now we're actually done. Oh, hell no, I'm dead. What the? I'm dead. Bro. Well, that's it today, guys. Subscribe, like, subscribe, and comment L Train. See you in the next video.